Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change systems mode on Mico. So let's get started. Open Mico application. Then press the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll see the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. Among all of these options, select General option. Now select the Click to Switch option right next to System Mode. And then tap on the confirm button. And this is how you can change systems mode on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.